Hi guys, I just would like to comment concerning the issue of why some Filipinos are bashing and doubting Alex Ayala. I just found this out when I read some comments from the videos that I posted recently, wherein some of our fellow Filipinos, they're really not appreciating what Alex has achieved so far as a tennis player and what pride he has brought to us as a Filipino nation during this time when there's nothing really to be proud of as a Filipino and as a country because of what's happening back home in the Philippines. Really, there's a lot to be embarrassed about our country right now. And out of that, we have a shining star named Alex Ayala who has brought us pride as a Filipino because of what she has achieved as a tennis player, as a professional tennis player, as a talent who is being appreciated as well by other people who are not Filipinos, even by her fellow tennis players, even by the legends of the game like Martina Navratilova, even Rafael Nadal himself. So guys, have a life. Please. But if you can't, gaya ng sinasabi nila, manigas na lang kayo sa inggit.